lovely. So it's Lex. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to kind of chit chat about a couple of things. First, I want to talk to you guys about my favorite brand, which is Tula. They were kind enough to send me a few new products. Some I've tried before and some I haven't. So let's just get right into it. I hope everyone's having a good week. Happy spring, happy April. If you're watching this video, hopefully it's the week of Earth Day. I had to remember what planet I was on, you know, it'd be like that. Planet Her is where I would prefer to be, but you know, I digress. So let's get right into it, guys. The first product is the Balancing Act. These are the purifying and pH balancing it's like tadpoles. They're the pads. They come in a cute little box like this. I use these on the regular now. I've been using them now for a couple months and I honestly love them. So the ones in here are actually the refill that you can put in your, why is my brain not braining? Your container. So here we go. This is the container that it comes in. It is biodegradable. The pads they smell really good. They help with your pH balance. They help make your pores look smaller. And then now they have the refill. So you buy one of these one good time and then you just replace it with the refill pads, which I think is really cool because it's less, you know, waste of just constantly having a bunch of containers nonstop. If you don't know, you can use these pads morning or night, it doesn't matter. I like to use them when I have like random breakouts. Like right now I kind of have a small pimple right there, so I've been using them just a few times a week. But yeah, I like them because they don't dry your skin out like a lot of the other toning pads do that I've tried. So super cool, gotta love Tula. The other product I wanted to show you guys is the Detox in a Jar. Same thing, comes in that signature Tula blue. In case you're new here, Tula is a vegan brand. It is vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, almost everything free. This one is a clay mask. So I haven't tried this one yet, but it's called Detox in a Jar. It's gonna help, shockingly enough, detox your skin. It's a clay mask, so it's gonna pull all that gunk out of your skin, make you feel smooth, refreshed. It's also an exfoliator. Most of Tula's products, well, all their products don't have really a fragrance to it unless it's like a natural scent. So I'm sure, yeah, there's no smell to this one either. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. Let's see if we can get it focused here. I don't know, it has a cool little like blue tint to it. So can't wait to try that. It says you can use it just, you know, once or twice a week. That's all you need. Put it on 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Of course, you want to use my code, save 15% if you want to try any of this fun stuff for the first time. Well, actually, you can use my code anytime, but I figured, you know, your first time, might as well save a little coin. They also just sent me 2 little goodies that I thought were really cute. This one comes in a cute little white Tula bag. I don't know if you can see because of the light, but they're just 3 reusable straws because I know how much everyone loves paper straws because we have to save the turtles. But me personally, yeah, no, I am a metal straw girly. So I'm excited to try these rubber ones. They even included the cleaner, which is kind of satisfying to use. I don't know why, but yeah. So we got some Tula straws. Got my Tula wristband on, or hair tie if you can't see that. And they also, this is the best part, they also send me a cute little biodegradable Tula plant. So not the plant, is obvious. Okay, whatever, you guys get it. I'm not even editing this video because I need you to understand the chaos that goes on in my brain while I'm recording this. But so this is what it looks like. Super adorable. I cannot speak English today, but it's fine. Super tiny. I love, you know, cute little tiny things. It comes with instructions on how to put it all together. It comes with some lavender seeds, I believe. So I can't wait for that. This will actually be my first plant. I did not go through the plant phase during quarantine like everybody else. I binge watched Marvel movies and I finally watched all the Star Wars movies. this is a safe space, right? Between me and you, not a fan, didn't care for it. I could go the rest of my life and never watch a Star Wars movie again. Sorry, I guess I'm just going to be a Harry Potter fan for life. Very different, but I feel like it's usually one or the other. And for me, I'm gonna go Harry's way. So, sorry. Also, if you've seen the new Fantastic Beasts movie, comment, because I need someone to talk to about it. It was like slightly confusing and not what I expected, but it wasn't bad. So yeah, just let me know. I don't want to spoil it because it's still new, but if you've seen it, comments, we can chit chat. That's all of my Tula goodies right now. If you want to see a video of me actually using the clay mask, let me know and I can record that for you guys, because I actually have tried a lot of their other masks and I love how it makes my skin feel afterwards. So I know I'm going to definitely check this one out probably this weekend when I have time to just like relax and just let it, you know, soak into my skin and all the good stuff. Okay, so before I keep going into this video, I want to show you guys, well actually, this is the end of the video. That was it for Tula. I just wanted to show you guys my ADHD trait cards. I got these in the mail a while ago and I recorded a video for them, but that video did not get uploaded because when I recorded it, the sound did not work for whatever reason. My microphone was not connected properly. I don't know. I tried to do a voiceover, and because I was talking about the cards and it was like random ones I was choosing, there was no way for me to do a voiceover. So I'm not gonna go through the whole thing again, but essentially I got these ADHD cards. These are for the ADHD and inattentive. I think I just threw some letters in there, whatever. Inattentive type. I don't know why I said inattentive, like that was a word. I'd just be adding letters. It has 25 cards, which includes ADHD traits, examples, and top tips. So these are made by a lovely woman named Rachel. She was kind enough to gift them for me after I made a post saying that I wanted them for Christmas. So thank you, Rachel. I greatly appreciate it. I show everyone these cards. I literally love them. Just so you guys can see, they're about this big, so nice little size for all the blind girlies like myself. Also, if you've seen my last video, I finally got my new glasses. I went with the gold pair and the clear pair. I'm obsessed with them. But yeah, so you get lots and lots of cards, and they really are just like, I don't know, it's just great. When I went through them the first time, I really just felt like, wow, like I'm not by myself. This is not just me. You feel seen because everything that's listed, like, I don't know, I deal with so many of these traits, I guess you can call them. I don't want to call it problems because it's just, it is what it is at this point. So yeah, traits, and to see it written out like this in such an organized way and written out by someone else, it really like validates your feelings. And I don't know, I don't want to get like too simpy, you guys, but just know like it feels good, and I highly recommend you checking them out. She has different cards that you can get. I honestly might buy the other pack just to have at the house, because why not? If you know me, I'm always down to teach somebody something, so I can just have like flashcards on deck. That seems like a really good time. I'm trying to think of like, I'm trying to figure out which one I can just quickly show you guys. All right, so let's go with procrastination. Okay guys, procrastination, that can be our word of the day. That's backwards. Why did I show you? I don't know. But this is what the other side looks like. So it has procrastination here. This way it has number 3, ADHD, PI, P1. I'm really not sure. Let's go with PI. So this one says top tips, productive procrastination. Do something else that would be a good use of your time and then switch back when you feel motivated. I'm actually doing that right now. I started cooking dinner, I stopped, decided to record this video while it was on my mind, and then when I get done with this, I'm gonna finish cooking dinner and enjoy it. Productive procrastination. The next one, address the root cause. Think about why you procrastinate and work through the issue. I really haven't got that far yet, but that is a good tip. It's a great tip, because usually I think about why I'm procrastinating and then I get anxiety about why I'm thinking about it so much, and then nothing happens. But that's a good goal for me to have. Background noise. Listen to music or a podcast before and while carrying out the activity. That's it. Procrastination. I love that. I definitely am a background noise person. It drives my friends crazy. I am the person that needs background noise to go to sleep. I need background noise while I'm working, while I'm studying. That's Bonnie. She's mad that she's not in this video today. Sorry. Bonnie says hello. They say hello, Bonnie. Meow to you too. I love background noise. I've been really heavy right now into the like rain sounds and the white noise and the like aligning your chakras with like the brainwave music. I don't really understand the science behind how that works, but it does make me feel less like, I don't know, distracted. So I'm trying to focus on things when I'm like writing articles or just, I don't know, doing anything. I love background noise. I feel like Dr. Umar repeating myself. But yeah, I have tons and tons of cards. I wish I could share them all with you. If you have any questions about them, let me know in the comments. Support a Black-owned business, support women-owned business, support a Black woman-owned business, and get these cards, okay? If not for you, for someone else, or not for someone else, get them to teach yourself about ADHD, okay? A lot of people have ADHD, whether you admit to it. Sirens are going off, but okay. Whether you admit to it or not, like, sometimes you don't want to like tell everybody that you have ADHD because they look at you a certain way. I definitely don't. So if you're watching this and you didn't know, surprise. Crazy. But yeah, like, it's nothing wrong with getting them just to educate yourself. You can never know too much, okay? Don't ever be unteachable. You can always keep learning, and I mean that. So this one is also a mood. It's called Easily Distracted. It has internal distractions, examples, external distractions. This one is my favorite ADHD superpower, which is hyperfocus. It has the definition of hyperfocus. We got RSD. That's a big one. Yeah, it's just like literally a little bit of everything. She even has this one that is about her. Hi ADHDers, I'm Rach. I cannot pronounce her last name. I do not want to butcher it. I was diagnosed with ADHD combined type in January 2020 at the age of 26. Since then, I have advocated for myself and adults with ADHD on social media and as a panelist at events run by various organizations. You go, girl. Twitter, Adulting ADHD, Instagram, Adulting ADHD, and her website, ADHDtraits.com. And I know this may sound like a commercial, but I swear this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid for this. I literally just want everyone who should know about these cards needs to know about these cards. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. More importantly, give me a share. And guys, leave me a comment below if you want to check out some more details about the cards, or if you have any questions about our favorite skincare brand, which of course is Tula. So I will see you guys next time. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed week. Hope everyone had a good Easter, and talk to you later. Bye, lovelies.